folks, it's Nancy from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Phoebe and Charlie, and I have an unboxing for you. I've gotten some of my AliExpress sale items, but they're really showing up now. I have a lot to unbox, and some of them are, you know, 2 and 3 in a package. So there should be some good ones coming up to do. Here's the drills and the tools and the canvas. And that's empty. Put my scissors away. The tool kit is a nice standard kit with a single drill, and the other side is a three tip. It's hard to see that. A big chunk of wax and a green boat with an opening on the end. So let me set the tools aside, and I will set the drills aside. I have no idea what this one is, but wow, the drills are just lovely, like pink and green, pastel colors. I see a little dark gray, pink and peach, a lot of this ivory color that they call, what do they call it? Ecru? Ecru. There's white and then there's ecru. Is that how you say it? I don't know. There's a lot of words out there that, you know, I was such an avid reader, especially as a child. So there were a lot of words that I knew what they meant. I knew how to use them in a sentence. I just did not ever know how to pronounce them. Gesture was one. I remember I said gesture, and my family laughed at me. Yeah, I was a sensitive little kid. I did not like being laughed at. The youngest of 5 kids, you get laughed at a lot. But, so I learned the hard way how to say gesture. I remember reading a book about a girl named Penelope. Penelope. Wow, this is interesting. It's wrapped really tight. It has a foam core. Sorry, I'm going so slow. A thick foam core, but it's still wrapped so tightly that I couldn't even get this. Oh, and it's all stuck. This paper is stuck. What is this paper? Oh, it's an inventory sheet. Oh, I know what this one is. It's this beautiful, like, sketchy looking, not sketchy like bad, sketchy like it was hand-drawn. Tinkerbell with the pale pastel colors. That's what all those pretty colors are all about. This is the inventory. It's got a good amount of colors. Not a lot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19 colors. And it is a full drill round. The paper they've put on here is odd. This is the first time I've seen paper like this, so maybe they're getting, I've noticed there's really only one manufacturer, and it's the same paper that people who work with vinyl that they use, transfer paper. Oh, so pretty. I'll put the image up. This one really struck me as just being adorable. It is a 35 by 45. And I'm hoping there's some creases just in the paper from being wound up so tightly. I'm hoping that by peeling it up and putting it down, I will straighten the canvas and get the creases out of the paper. Yeah, it's not too bad. Creases in the paper we can live with. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. This one is so cute. There's some that I like and some that I just love. And they'll never call her Tinkerbell in the wording because, you know, Disney will sue them. So she's, you know, a fairy or something. It doesn't even say on here. I'll call her Tinkerbell. I don't care. She's Tinkerbell. All right, let's see if I can show this to you now. The symbols all have that weird line around them. There is a lot of shading, even in the background. Can you see her? I want you to see it. What do they call it? They call this confetti when there's no big, there's a couple areas of one color, but it's pretty well mixed in. I love the way that looks. I'm hoping you can see that. She's just so cute and just so pretty. I can't wait to do this one. My problem is I want to do all of them at the same time. So, if you like my video, hit like, subscribe, hit the little bell so you're notified. Come join the Facebook group. We just decided the other night, this is funny, that anyone who wants to is going to do, we're going to do the same diamond painting. So we put up a link in the size, and some people are getting, it's a Huacán. Some people are getting that diamond painting, and some people are getting the same image with a different company. And we're gonna compare as we go along, you know, and see how they all come in. I'll do an unboxing. We're all gonna start. We're gonna see who goes at different levels. I know I'm very slow at diamond painting compared to most, but that's okay. I don't mind being slow in this because I enjoy it so much. And we can compare our pictures, and we're all going to have the same thing. God, I don't know why I even had the idea of doing this, but it just seemed like fun. You know, kind of feeling like you're diamond painting with other people. So, that's all. I really love this one. I think it's beautiful. I would, if you're looking for a real cute Tinkerbell, this is a good one. And you have a great day. Take care and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye. Charlie? What are you doing, baby? You guarding? Are you guarding? Oh, now they're both guarding. They just watch the door and hope that Daddy comes home. this is. My crafty stuff. My bowl full of jewelry. It all needs to go up there. And my drills. I need more bags. Drills and drills and drills. They're everywhere. You guys were being so cute. I pulled out the camera and now you're not doing nothing. You're not doing anything. Grammar is important. Here's my stuff to open up and put away. My tripod that the puppies knocked down.